How to disable the pedestrian warning system on a Rivian. Put your R1S or R1T in high suspension mode. Turn your steering wheel all the way to the left. This will give you some working room to get to this area. Have a little work light to provide you with some light to see. You're going to be unscrewing about 3 of these screws on the interior fender liner. They are, on mine anyway, 3mm hex screws. Once you've undone those 3 screws, you can reach way back here and just pull this section out. Once you have it open, you are looking for that connector. We're just going to disconnect it. Okay, now I have it disconnected by lifting with a small flathead screwdriver the large red tab. I just pressed up to unlock it and then reached in with my hand and squeezed it and pulled it out. This is the part number of the unit just unplugged. This also does the tweet sound when you lock and unlock the vehicle, so you will lose that functionality. There appear to be 7 wires on the connector. I haven't yet tried to figure out which wires are for the pedestrian warning system versus the lock and unlock sound, but that is something you might be able to disconnect or cut individual wires in order to achieve what you want to achieve. Put all your hardware back and enjoy quiet, free driving. I did realize that I am missing from the factory a few screws. Appears to be that one and that one. Also should have hardware in them, but they do not. As well, there's 1 or 2 underneath. So I don't know if on my vehicle this was serviced before I received delivery of it, but I am missing some hardware. So you may have to take out a few more screws. And yes, I know I'm a horrible person, going to murder hundreds of pedestrians, I'm going to be sued into oblivion and lose my house. Thanks for watching. Please comment below.